Joselyne here with International Relocation. If you have not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe because we share really good information every week about Orlando real estate, investing in Orlando, relocating to Orlando, buying a vacation home in Orlando, everything that has to do with Orlando real estate. And today we will be covering brand new homes, builders. Guys, just today I met with a client today and they had gone to a builder before by themselves and things didn't really go too well. So here's the secret that builders do not want you to know. When you go to buy a brand new home through a builder, they had already budgeted for your realtor in the price. So whether you use your realtor or not, you're paying for one. So you might as well get one because it does not cost you anything. The builders have already put in the budget. The price is not going to go up because you're hiring a realtor. They assume that every buyer is going to go with a realtor. And so they put their realtor fee in the price. You know what the sad part is? If you don't go with a realtor, they're not going to give you that discount. So why not hire a professional realtor to represent you? Because guess what? When you go to that new home, guess who they are not representing? You. So you go there with a realtor, you end up working with their employee who is working for them. They send you to their mortgage person who is working for them because they want to give you some closing cost. So you have to use their lender. They make you use their title company. And everybody that is involved in your transaction is working against you. They're working for the builder. So why not hire a real estate professional that can represent you, that know what kind of builders in your area and what they are offering. But us realtors, we know which builders offer what. We know what's included. We know what the upgrades are. We can negotiate some upgrades. Those are the kind of things that you have to know beforehand. So that is something that they will not tell you. For most builders, everything you see in the model, when you go see a model, that's not what you get. So you go see the model and everything is nicely done and all the appliances are there and all the blinds are there and it's nice tile on the floor and you think that's what you're gonna get. And then once you actually start putting things together, it's an extra $50,000 to $100,000 for everything that you saw in the model. And that's what you want because that's what attracted you to the house. So if you are considering a new home, whether in Florida or anywhere else, please be sure to find your own realtor and they will help you make sure that you're covered during the purchase process. If you have any questions, be sure to connect with me next week. I will be posting another video and please comment below. Let me know if I left something out that you would like to know about new homes. Joselyne, Orlando International Relocation, and I am never too busy for any of your referrals. Be sure to subscribe for next week's video. Thank you for watching.